Today I want to share a very beautiful poem. You are what you think. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you want to win but think you can't, it's almost a cinch you want. If you think you will lose, you are lost. Find out the word we find success begin with follows. Find out the words we find success begins with fellows. Well, it's all in a state of mind. My dears, life battles don't always go to the stronger and the faster man, but the sooner or the later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Thank you.